Standing in the ruins of a life I can't repair. Shadows on the walls and it's too much to bear. Every prayer feels like it's drowning in despair, but I'm still reaching out with a trembling heart tonight. I've been screaming at the heavens till my voice fades away, but even in the silence I know you hear me say, God, break through the pain, tear down these walls, catch me in the night before I fall. Barely breathing but I still believe you can light a fire in the coldest sea. Take this broken man and make him new. Breakthrough, breakthrough, yeah. Breakthrough, breakthrough, yeah. I've carried every secret like a stone around my neck. Dreams turned into ashes, my face a fractured wreck. But even in the wreckage I can hear a faint refrain, like mercy calling out, I can heal your pain. And I've been clawing at the darkness just to see your light. One spark is all I need to set my soul on fire. God, break through the pain, tear down these walls, catch me in the night before I fall. Barely breathing but I still believe you can light a fire in the coldest sea. Take this broken man and make him new. Breakthrough, breakthrough. I don't care if the sky falls down, I just need you here right now. Flood my heart, my veins, wash away this bitter rain. If you speak, I'll be still. If you heal, I will